What is up folks, this is Shady Tech, and today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing and overview of a Teclast tablet, and this particular one is P80X and also known as T-Pad in its Chinese wordings over here. First of all, we're going to take a look around the box. Not much going on here, there's no specification on the back or anything, it's just like T-Pad and some descriptions in Chinese down there. And left on the right side is all around with the Teclast wordings. So let's just open the box, shall we? Of course, you present with the tab itself. And also, the tab comes with a pre-installed screen protector. You can see comes with the USB-C type, which is good, and also 3.5 microphone jack over here, headphone jack, sorry, and also the couple of it's quite nice that it comes with this open up, but I kind of feel that this is a little bit flimsy, so you have to be a little bit careful with it. Alright, so down below there's nothing much. On the left side you can see that the of course the three button here. On the right side there's nothing at all. So just gonna boot this up first while we wait for it, because you can see that powered by Android and also Teclast wordings on the middle here. And let's see what else we got in the box. Oh, a little bit of flexible foam going on here. Alright, so down below cut a couple of free gear, I suppose. It's like a stand, just a typical stand. You got a gift from the seller that I got here from China. Different kind of a seller is here. So it depends on where you get. Maybe you can get it from AliExpress or any other online supplier or seller. So some of them they give some gift cards like this. This is not included, and it's like a free gift also, which with a stylus pen, as well as this adapter from USB-C to USB port adapter. And that's pretty much it. Also a couple of user guides and user manual here, warranty rules even. That's nice. Alright, so let's see. Okay, here, the box here, where you can find the charging board with a European style 2-pin charger. You can see that the USB there, and the other side you got the cable in its, I suppose it is 1 meter long as usual. USB to USB-C. It's always nice to see that even though it's like alright. So yeah, you can present it with hi there English. Let's just quickly start. Let me just skip everything first. Oh, that's pretty loud. It's only in the middle, and it sounds like super loud. Man, that's good. Even though this only have like a single. Oh, you got this speaker grill at the back, which is super loud, and also the camera on the back. Alright, so let's see what the settings come with out of the box. System about phone. Alright, so here's the phone. RAM, you got 2 GB of RAM, Android version 9, and that's about it. So how much the storage though? How much storage do we get? So this tablet comes with 32 GB and 6.2 GB used. Oh, and also the seller that I got, it included with a free casing, and this casing is from Teclast itself. You can see that the Teclast branding down below here, and it comes with a little bit kind of like a grayish, dark grayish kind of tone here. It's like flip case out of spec, and with a soft silicone type of casing for you to put it on. Let me just quickly pop this in and show you guys. It fits super securely without any problems. Pretty neat. pretty good. You can just put this casing like this for it to stand up. It's not gonna drop or anything all the way to here. Maybe not here, like here. It's good. It's about, I would say about maybe 75 degrees or so. Alright, so it's good for decided to include some kind of figure or anything. And that's it. That's my just a quick unboxing and overview of Teclast P80X. It's an entry tablet, of course, but then it is really good for money. So it costs about close to 300 ringgit. With conversions, it's about, I would say it's about 75 to 80 US dollars. So it's super cheap. Teclast phone. I'm gonna do more review on it, and I'll see you guys in the next video to come. And this is Shady Tech. See you soon.